Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're taking a deep dive into the pricing structure of Onepage.io, and I'm here to help you figure out which plan is the best fit for your needs. I'll walk you through everything from usage limits to advanced features so that you can make an informed decision. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Let's start with the main license plans. Each plan comes with a set of features that determines how many pages, subdomains, and websites, also known as projects, that you receive for each plan. For example, the Essential plan gives you one website, 7 pages, and 1 subdomain. This is important to know because your choice of plan will impact how much you can do with Onepage. So let's break it down further. The free plan includes one project with up to 3 pages. You can't connect a custom domain on this plan, but you are able to use a free Onepage subdomain. It's a great way to explore the platform with limited features. This is a great starting point for anyone wanting to test Onepage before committing to a paid plan, or those who just need a basic landing page or link in bio. Now moving on to the Essential plan. This plan includes one project with up to 7 pages and allows you to connect a custom domain. It also includes real-time chat support, but lacks some of the more advanced design and marketing features. This is best for solo creators or freelancers who need a personal website, or for small business owners who need a simple online presence. Next is the Standard plan. This plan allows for 2 projects with 50 pages each. It supports 2 subdomains per project and includes GDPR compliance, making it a better choice for businesses handling customer data. So, who should use this? Either small businesses that need multiple websites for different services, or entrepreneurs who need more customization and compliance features. Moving along the top, we have the Advanced plan. This plan includes 5 projects with up to 150 pages each. It removes most limitations and allows unlimited subdomains. It's designed for businesses that need more flexibility, automations, and team collaboration. This is perfect for businesses managing multiple brands or funnels, and marketers who rely on automation and detailed tracking. And finally, we have the Expert plan. This plan is built for agencies and large businesses that need up to 20 projects with unlimited pages. It includes priority support, making it ideal for users who need a high level of service. If you're an agency managing websites for multiple clients, or a large business with complex lead generation strategies, this plan is for you. Now let's break down the difference between a website and a page, since I've mentioned it a few times. In Onepage, a website refers to the entire project, the full site that you're building. A page is just one part of that website, like your homepage, a features page, or a contact page. For example, on the Essential plan, you get 7 pages for your single website. Now let's move on to Onepage specials. With the higher tier plans, you get access to real-time chat, expert support, and additional design features. The Pro and Basic mode gives you more design flexibility. And if you need to move your website, website transfer is available with the Standard plan and above. Plus, the Advanced menu is a feature that's exclusive to higher plans, allowing for deeper customization. If you're working with a team cooperation features are essential. On the Essential plan, you get 1 editor. If you need more collaboration, the Standard plan gives you access to up to 4 editors. The Advanced and Expert plans provide even more flexibility for teams, letting you manage multiple editors for larger projects. Each plan also includes some essential tools for your website. With built-in analytics and an integrated CRM, you can track your site's performance and manage leads more effectively. From the Essential plan onward, you can connect your own custom domain, a key step for building a professional online presence. Now let's talk performance. All plans come with built-in SEO tools to help your site get found. But as you move up, you unlock additional performance enhancements, like advanced tracking, flexible event setups, and deeper insights. These are especially useful if you're scaling up and want to fine-tune your marketing strategy. You can also integrate with tools like Meta, Google, and more to track user behavior and set up events on your page. Onepage is super powerful when it comes to automations and integrations. You can integrate with over 5,000 apps via Zapier, Make, or Webhook. These integrations help you automate tasks like email marketing and lead generation. While direct integrations are continuing to grow, Onepage already gives you flexible options to connect with the tools you're using. Security is also a top priority. Every plan includes HTTPS and GDPR compliance, cookie notifications, and EU-based servers to meet global standards. Higher-tier plans add extra layers like DDoS protection and enhanced security features to keep your site and your visitors safe. Plus, email services are included with every plan. You can set up autoresponders using your own email address, which is crucial for lead engagement. All plans give you unlimited email volume and built-in lead notifications. But as you move up, you get access to extra features like custom email templates to take your outreach to the next level. Now let's dive into the forms and funnels plans. The free plan gives you unlimited forms, but you're limited to 100 submissions per month. With the launch plan, you can collect unlimited leads and access advanced features like multi-step forms, which provide a more engaging user experience. On higher tier plans, you get form personalization options such as conditional logic, multiple finish steps, and personalize with hidden fields. This allows you to dynamically change the form content based on user input. With the optimized plan, you can pass UTM parameters and even generate dynamic content based on responses. As you collect more leads, anti-spam protection becomes essential. With Onepage, you get features like phone verification to ensure that the leads that you're collecting are valid. This helps avoid spam and ensures that you're engaging with real prospects. Onepage also offers a variety of design options to make your site stand out. From Calendly elements to loader elements and beautiful fields, you can customize your forms and pages to match your brand style. Finally, more advanced automation and integration features like webhooks are available on the higher forms and funnel plans. But core tools like lead and data export, along with actions on submit, are included in every tier. These integrations help you connect Onepage with the tools that you're already using, making your workflow more seamless. So that's a breakdown of Onepage's pricing and features. Whether you're just starting out with a simple website or you're scaling your business with multiple projects, Onepage offers flexible plans that meet your needs. Make sure you choose the one that aligns with your goals and your budget. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. We'll be happy to help. Thank you and see you in the next video.